I snore, and it's a problem. My husband is so sweet about it. He just wears in earplugs, and he says he loves to hear when I'm asleep. It makes him feel good. He's a sweetheart. But I would like to not be snoring, especially when I'm around other people. Like I was on vacation and we shared a room with my daughter, and I was just mortified. I gave her earplugs. She was super sweet about it. But anyways, I got the Vital Sleep mouthpiece, and I'm going to try it out and let you guys know if it works. But right now, we have to get it all to fit your mouth perfectly. It's got a little mold in there. So a lot like the boys with their football things, right? So you're going to put it in boiling water for 45 seconds. I've got my timer here ready. Oh, I would love if this helped. I just hate being a snorer. A snorer? No one wants to be that. Okay, 45 seconds. And then I'm going to pull it out and put it in cold water. Oops, not ready. Okay, there it is. Now I'm going to pull it out. Oh, and put it in the cold water just, gosh, it's hard to grab. For a second. Okay, I'm going to take it out. Make sure the arrow is pointing up. There's a little arrow on the inside here. It is pointing up. So you're going to put it in the center of your mouth. There. For 30 seconds. And that's it. I'm going to give it a try. It has you start with it just the way, I guess you can adjust it as you go. If it's not really helping you with the snoring, you can move it so it kind of moves your swallowing. So I'm going to give it a try. We'll see.